Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making caramel pudding. Cream caramel, also known as flan caramel pudding or caramel custard, is a custard dessert with a layer of clear caramel sauce. These are the simple ingredients needed to make the pudding. To make the caramel pudding so soft, follow the exact recipe. Take 4 eggs, break and start beating them very well. Do subscribe to our channel in order to make the pudding sweeter. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Add 3/4 cup of brown sugar and mix well. If brown sugar is not available, then you can simply use the normal white sugar. Now in 500 ml of boiled full cream milk, mix 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. See that no lumps remain. Now mix the egg mixture into the milk and keep it aside as we start making the caramel. For that, heat a wok and pour half cup of brown sugar to it. Stir it under high heat with a spatula till the sugar melts and caramelizes. Without wasting time, pour the caramel in a big bowl where you will set the pudding. If you delay this process, the caramel will solidify, so keep everything ready. Pour the whole mixture in the same big bowl. Seal it with aluminium foil like this. Prepare a double boiler like this and place the bowl on the rack over the water. The water level should not cross the rack. Cover it and let it steam for 20 minutes. See, the caramel pudding is now completely ready. We have to place it carefully upside down on a plate. Look at the beautiful bright color of the caramel, and the softness of this pudding is unbelievable. Try it and trust me, you will be addicted to it. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.